morning. Today we're going to learn about multiplying mixed numbers. We have an example and 3 exercises. Okay, what are we going to do first? Wait a minute. There's too much noise. Okay, what are we going to do first? We're going to convert both mixed numbers to improper fractions. How do we do it? Okay, let me explain. Again, we need to convert these mixed numbers to improper fractions. So, how do we convert? Again, this is a lesson we learned in the second quarter. We're going to multiply denominator times the whole number plus the numerator. 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9. And the 2 is always going to be the same. Times 3 times 7, 21. Plus 1, 22. And the denominator is the same. Now we can multiply. 9 times 22. Let's do it step by step. 9 times 2, 18. Write a 1 here. 9 times 2, 18 plus 1, 19. 192. Now, 2 times 3. How many is 2 times 3? 6. Now let's divide it. 198 divided by 6. One number in the table of 6 that equals 19 is 3. 6 times 3, 18. 19 minus 18, 1. Drop the 8. Now, one number in the table of 6 that equals 18, 3. 6 times 3, 18. 18 minus 18, 0. So the answer is 33. I hope you can see this number that is 33. Let me use another marker. Let's do some exercises now. 3 or 3 1/12 times 6. Let's convert this to an improper fraction. 12 times 3 equals 36 plus 1, 37. And copy the 12 times 6. Remember, as we learned in last class, we're going to multiply numerator times the whole number and copy the denominator like this. 37 times 6. 6 times 7 equals 42. Right? 2. I'm going to erase this of the example so it can give us a little space to work. 42, right? 4 on top of the 3 and 2 here. 6 times 3, 18. Plus 4, 22. So the numerator is 222. And here at 12. Now let's divide and say 222 divided by 12. One number in the table of 12 that equals 22, 1. Without passing 22. 12 times 1, 12. 22 minus 12, 10. Drop the 2. One number in the table of 12 that equals 102 is, let me see. If we do it times 9 or times 8 is 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 2, 16. I have a 1 here. 8 times 1, 8 plus 1, 9. 96. And 102 minus 96 equals 6. And with these 3 numbers, we're going to make our mixed number. I'm going to work here. Our whole number is going to be 18. 6 is going to be our numerator, and 12 our denominator. In here, we can simplify. We can simplify the fraction. Both numbers can be divided by 6, so the fraction is going to be like this. 18, 1 half. 6 divided by 6, 1. 12 divided by 6, 2. And this is the answer. 18, 1 half. Okay. You can stop the video and copy the exercise because I am going to erase this part. Let me do exercise number 2. 514 times 147. Again, let's convert this to improper fractions. 4 times 5, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21, 4 times 1 times 7, 7. 7 plus 4 is 11, and write 7 here. Okay, now multiply. 21 times 11. 21 times 10 equals 210. And 21 times 1, 21. Okay, so is 231. 21 times 11, 231. And 4 times 7 equals 28. We can divide them and say 231. One number in the table of 28 that equals 231. Let's say, as an example, we can do a mistake here. Let's say 8 again. 8 times 8, 64. 8 times 2, 16. Plus 6, 22. And 1 minus 4, we cannot do it. It's going to ask 3 to give it 10 units. And this is going to be 11. 11 minus 4 equals 7. And 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. With these three numbers, we have the answer. That is 8, 7, 28. This is the answer. 8, 7, 28. This is the answer. Now let me do exercise number 3. I am going to erase. I am going to erase everything. This is exercise number 3. It is 2, 5, 6 times 9. That is exercise number 3. Okay. Let's convert this to an improper fraction. 6 times 8, 6 times 2 equals 12 plus 5, 17, and 6 times 9. Now, numerator times whole number, that is 17 times 9, and write 6. 9 times 7 equals 63, right? 3 and 6. 9 times 1, 9, plus 6, 15, and copy 6. I'm going to work here, down below. So, let's divide 153 by 6. Okay, so one number in table of 6 that equals 15 is 2. 6 times 2, 12. 15 minus 12, 3. Drop the 3. Now, one number in the table of 6 that equals 33 is 5. 6 times 3 equals 30. And 33 minus 3 minus 30, 3. With these three numbers, let's create a mixed number. 25 is going to be our whole number, 3 our numerator, and 6 our denominator. Now, the only step missing is simplifying the fraction. So copy 25 and 3 divided by 3, 1. 6 divided by 3, 2. You can stop the video and copy the exercise. Okay, let's continue with some exercises. Where's my marker? Here it is. Exercise number 4 is like this. 6 2/3 times 4 7/8. Okay, as I told you, first step is converting both mixed numbers to improper fractions. 3 times 6 plus 2. 3 times 6 equals 18 plus 2, 20. And the 3 has a denominator. Times 8 times 4 equals 32 plus 7, 39. Copy the 8. Now we can multiply. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Okay, we're going to do this apart. 20 times 39. 9 times 0, 0. 9 times 2, 18. Go down below, write a 0. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 2, 6. Now let's add 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 0, 8. 1 plus 6, 7. So the number is 780. 20 times 39 is 780. 780 was? Yes. 780. And 3 times 8 equals 24. Now let's divide those two numbers and save. Right, 24, 780. One number in the table of 24 that equals 78. 24 plus 24 is 48. 48 plus 24 is 72. So here is 3. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 8 minus 2, 6, and drop the 0. Oh, because 7 minus 7, 0. One number in the table of 24 that equals 60. Remember that times 3 equals 72. So it's going to be times 2. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, 4. And let's subtract. 0 minus 8, we cannot do it, so this is going to be 10, and this is going to be 5. 10 minus 8, 2. 5 minus 4, 1. Our remainder is 12. With these three numbers, we're going to make a mixed number. 32 is our whole number, 24 our denominator, and 12 our numerator. This number, this fraction can be simplified. So let's simplify it. Let's write again 32 and 12 divided by 12, 1. 24 divided by 12, 2. So the answer is 32, 1/2. Let me show you some more exercises. Okay, let's continue. I'm going to do exercise 5 and 6. Then you're going to work in exercise 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, and 14. You're going to do 6 exercises by your own. Okay, let's convert the two mixed numbers to improper fractions. 6 times 5, 30. 30 plus 1, 31. Copy the 6 times 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus 3, 15, and 4. Okay, now let's multiply. 31 times 15. Let's do it here. 31 times 15. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 3, 15. Let's go down below, write a 0. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 3, 3. Now let's add. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 3, 4. So 31 plus 15 is 465. Now, how many is 6 times 4? Equals 24. I'm going to erase this. Now, I'm going to continue working here. We're going to divide 465 by 24. 65. Okay, one number in the table of 24 that equals 46. If I multiply 24 times 2 equals 48, and we pass 46, so it's times 1. 24 times 1, 24. 6 minus 4, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. Drop the 5. If I multiply 224 times 10 is 240. So let's multiply it times 9. Let's say times 9. 4 times 9, 36. By 3. 9 times 2, 18. Plus 3, 21. Look, and we can subtract. 5 minus 6, we cannot do it. So it's going to ask 2 to give it 10 units. 2 is going to be 1. And 5, 15. 15 minus 6, 9. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So our remainder is 9. With these 3 numbers, we're going to do our mixed number. That is going to be 19, the whole number, 24, our denominator, and 9, our numerator. And the answer is going to be like this because there's not a number in the table of 3. Let me see, 3. Oh, yes, we can simplify by 3. So 19, 3 divided by 3 is 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So the answer is 19, 3/8. And the last exercise. I'm going to work in green because my marker is dying. Okay, let me erase this. You can stop the video and copy the exercise. I'm going to erase. Now, let's convert this to an improper fraction. That's right, 5 times 16 times 7. Oh, this is difficult. 6 times 7 is 42. Right, 2. Right, 2. Okay, 2. Here. And 1 times 7, 7. Plus 4 that we have by multiplying 7 times 6 is 11. 112 plus 3 is 115. 115 divided by 16, like this. Now we're going to multiply 5 times 115 times 115 and 16 here down below. I'm going to copy the answer here. Okay, 5 times 5, 25. Write 2 here. 5 times 1, 5. Plus 2, 7. And 5 times 1, 5. 575 and 16 here down below. Now let's divide. 575. One number in the table of 16 and equals 557, sorry. Esperamos se pueda ver ahí. Sí. Okay. If I multiply times 2, it's 32. If I multiply times 3, 48. 8 is 48. Okay, so we're going to multiply times 3. 16 times 3 is 6 times 3, 18. 1. 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 57 minus 18 minus 48 equals 9. Drop the 5 and say one number in the table of 16 that equals 95. Remember that times 3 is 48. Times 4 is plus 6 equals 54, 64. Times 7. Let's do it times 7. Let me see if I'm wrong. 6 times 7, 42. 7 times 1. Oh, we passed. Let's do it times 6. Let's do it times 6. 6 times 6, 36. We have a 3 here. 3 times 6. 6 times 1, 6, sorry, 6 plus 1, 9. We pass with 6, so it's going to be 5. And 5 is going to be 80. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 1, 5 plus 5, plus 3, sorry, 8. 95 minus 80 is 15. So with these three numbers, we're going to do our mixed number. 35 is going to be our whole number. 15, our numerator, and 16, our denominator. So the answer is 35, 16, or 15, 60, 16. Okay, as I told you, copy those exercises, then work in exercise 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. No, until 14, sorry. We're only going to do 6 exercises. See you on Monday, guys. Bye-bye.